Africa, this is a great chance for all of us. We are going to receive 1,000 applications. And because this is my second year in the University of the People, I'm inviting you to come and join us for exciting opportunities that we are going to have. After you are through with your degree, we are very sure that you are going to take your rightful place. You are going to use the skills that you are going to learn in order to be able to develop Africa, to be nation builders, to be enablers of development in our African continent. Welcome, and we hope that you are going to join us next year for this exciting opportunity that we have had. We want to thank and bless Microsoft in Africa. We want to bless the University of the People and all our professors and teachers for the hard work and the direction they have given us. We also to thank our President, Shai Michel, who has been very supportive, who has been very passionate about this program. I'm very excited because at this time now, I can be able to do so many things using the computers. I can be able to program, I can be able to troubleshoot, that I can be able to solve so many of our African problems that we encounter today. So I'm excited and happy, and we welcome all the young people, especially young ladies. If you are there and you have never had a chance for university degree, this is the best time to do that. Because Microsoft for Africa, what they have given us is a wonderful chance. It is a godsend. It is a gift for Africa. And once you are going to go through this program, I'm very sure that this is a blessing for us in Africa. We are happy, and we will be very happy to see you as you join us in our program. And I'm very sure that once you join us, you are going to have an experience that is going to be a blessing to us.
But today I would like to share with you a chance that I had in the year 2011, and I was accepted as a student in one of the US universities. But I'm not studying there, I'm studying here at home. So that gift today I would like to share with you, so that in case there is anybody that you know who can be able to get such a chance, is going to get it. When it comes to university education, there are those who pass, but they don't get a chance to go to universities. Why? Because some, when they go to their colleges or they leave Form 4, they don't have the means, or they don't have the school fees to go to universities. There are some who do not get that chance because by that time when we were there, university chances were very few. So me, I did not get that chance. Today, I would like to share with you what you can be able to do if you are in a situation like me. Because of advances in technology, you can be able to get quality education where you are through using internet. So what we do, we get quality university education from USA, and we are here. So me now, this one has been my second. Now we have partnered with one of the giants in computer field called Microsoft. And Microsoft for Africa Scholarship Program is the one that I'm going to talk to you about. And it is a very exciting chance for many of the people who do not be able to go to university. Microsoft for Africa Scholarship Program, they are offering 1,000 chances for African students. So if you know somebody who is eligible to go to university and he was not able to do that, either because we know university education today, the traditional ones, it is very expensive for so many people and it is a barrier to so many people. But Microsoft for Africa Scholarship Program, they are going to offer internship opportunities to the students who are going to graduate. He qualifies to go to university and he cannot be able to afford to go to the traditional universities. Please pass this message If you go to internet today, I know so many people know how to access internet. Go and search Microsoft for Africa Scholarship, or you go and search University of the People, and you will see all the requirements that are needed.